You've chosen to use one of our designs and customize it with your information. This is a two-part process. Part 1, you're going to choose the design, and then Part 2, you'll go ahead and upload that to us. So let's start with choosing your design. Click the top button over here, and then you can pick any one of these different designs. So I'm going to go with this colorful one. I'll click Download. What's happened for me is this has opened up still within my browser, in my case Firefox, but it might be Internet Explorer, Safari, or Chrome for you. But it's opened up a file that is a PDF. This isn't a regular web page, but a PDF file. What that means for you, and you can see it on the side of this page too in step 3 with these check marks, is you will need a program called Adobe Acrobat. Most of you probably already have it. If you don't have it, you can click over here to download that file. And I'll go ahead and open it up in a new window so we can have a look at it. But this is just a plug-in for your browser to be able to read those PDF files. And so this is something you'll probably want or run into even outside of us. If you've never seen it before, it is pretty standard. But go ahead please and download it. Make sure and install it even if things pop up and bug you. You don't have to install this McAfee thing. That's an upsell obviously, but do go ahead and install Adobe Reader if it doesn't open for you automatically. And then once you've installed Adobe Reader, then you would come back and you would click on the business card again. Let's go back to the design we wanted. And then I'm just going to click in and type in my information again. So right up here I'm going to say Bob Jones. Down here I can put in my title, so I'll say owner. I have a phone number. I could say 800 800 8000. That's not a real phone number, at least as far as I know. My address might be 123 Street. Name. My email address, this is again obviously as you want it to appear to your customers, so type in whatever it is, bob@jones.com. And then these line 5 and line 6, these are optional, so you can put really anything that you want in there if there was something else that you wanted on the card, or if you don't want things, you could just go ahead and delete those lines as well. Now here in the PDF, if I scroll down, there is a page 2, and it has here the website. So I think I did, jones.com, and this is just for the demo of course, but that's what it would look like. So page 1 would be Bob Jones, who is the owner, this phone number, that address, and maybe you'd want to make a little line here and put in some other things, so city, state, and zip code. Whatever you put in, we will capture and we will print onto the cards. When you're all done here, you just need to save this thing. So I'm in Firefox, but it's going to be similar in other programs. Just go to Save Page As. I apologize about the Spanish here, but whatever program you're in, you're going to save it somewhere onto your computer. And once you have saved your copy that's been customized with your stuff, you're going to want to go back to the upload page. Because once you've got that copy done, what you really need to do is step 2, and that's upload now. So you can click upload now from this page, or if you had been back on the previous page, the button was here also. But let's say that you had downloaded your thing, you'd customized it, you're ready to upload it. You just go ahead and click upload now. This page is pretty self-explanatory. You just want to fill out your information and understand that this is more specifically for the print team. So they're going to be printing your cards and sending them to you. So put your best contact info here. Do please use the same email that you used on the order, and for the job name you can put your name and free business cards. Under the files, we're just going to find that file that you just barely saved. So in my case, if I went to browse, I could go to my documents. I have a folder called websites. I could go to the file MoldingBox, and then I'm going to look for the PDF file. So it was this, in my case, business card 6. I would upload that PDF file and send this file after I filled out all the other information, and then we'll be able to print those cards up and send them out to you. If you do have a question, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be reaching out to you as well, but you can contact us at support@moldingbox.com. Thanks again, and once you've submitted this, we will let you know when that's on its way.